Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then click here to open, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 32 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device model, Android version, and more other info. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.